What's going on, everybody? It's Sutek, and it's 7:06 p.m. on Thursday the 29th. And I wanted to talk about the market in general, and this Bitcoin situation is now down at 7,200. And I wanted to talk about what I was talking about yesterday. I just wanted to add on about the patterns that we are seeing in regards to the Bitcoin price and how that's going to it's going to lead to a run. Alright, so first what we have here is a trend upwards. Alright, we have higher lows. Alright, every low is higher than the previous one. And we hit 6,900 just like an hour ago. Like an hour or so ago, which is the previous low in February. And what this tells me is that we are bound. This is a double bottom here. So we have this peak up here. We come down. There's a bottom, and then there's another high, and then there's another bottom. And what the signals is it's a W formation, pretty much. And what it could be signaling is the beginning of another run for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin goes on a run, that means everything's going on a run as well. So this is something we're going to have to watch play out over the next week. This weekend is a holiday in the US. Alright, there's Good Friday and then there's Easter Sunday. So I don't know how much action is actually going to take place, but we can speculate, we can hope, we can pray that this double bottom formation is the bounce that Bitcoin needs to get back going, because after a bounce, the next resistance is 8,300, and then it's 11,000 again, and after that it's pretty much a free run. Also, I have to go pull this up, actually, this particular piece of news. Alright, I went looking for it. I could not find it, but the next CMOE Bitcoin futures contracts expire the end of March. Alright, so this weekend they are over. So with the ending of those contracts, hopefully the short positions are gone and we can actually start pushing upwards. And like I said yesterday, with the rise of Bitcoin comes the rise of all the altcoins, because the Bitcoin price raises all prices. And let's take a look at Tron, because that's the hot coin right now, since they are having their test net this weekend. So it's kind of like been the odd man out in this whole down market, because they've been able to stabilize their price a bit because of the news, and people have been buying up Tron. So they're actually down from yesterday. Let's take a look at, so the 24-hour high is 4 cents, 5 cents if you round it up, and now it's at 0.0445. So there's a little blip yesterday, but here's the last 24 hours. But you can see it's definitely tailed off, a lot of sell-off volume here. And I guess people aren't buying the hype. So every time Justin Sun comes out with more news, there's some action, price action, but it's really not enough because there's no substance behind it. There's nothing really happening whenever he tweets out new information. So that's the problem I think a lot of these coins are experiencing right now. Aside from the regular manipulation from whales and financial industry, is that people are just catching on to the idea or the fact that there's really no action behind any of these coins. There's really no products. There's really nothing being done to justify the prices of a lot of these coins. So you have Bitcoin, which is the gold standard of crypto, of course. Then you have some other ones, ADA, which have technological advantages over other coins, whether it's speed or transaction cost, or being a stealth coin. They have some type of technological advantage, but a lot of the coins don't have those type of advantages, and they're just run-of-the-mill coins, and they don't have any specific niche or product. And I think people are also catching on to that. So definitely the market will consolidate into probably 50 or 100 coins that have promise. And then, some of the real players that are coming out soon, like Crowd Machine and others, we're going to see those move up and start to build, as these weaker coins, a lot of copycats and just overall trash coins, are shaken out and vanish. So really what we have to do now is just see how this price holds. Will it bounce off of 6,900 again, which is the previous bottom in February? Will it bounce off of that again and then go up to 80, about 8,300, 8,400, and hit another resistance? Or will it go down to $5,000? That's the question. So what I'm hoping is it bounces off that 6,900 again, and we go up to 8,300, and then move on from there. So I'm just going to keep a close eye on the market, and I'll keep you guys updated. All right, take care. Have a good one.